Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our USA Travel Diaries channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of water and theme parks in the magnificent state of New York. Whether you're a local New Yorker looking for some excitement or a traveler planning your next adventure, this video is just for you. Join me as we explore the top 5 best water and theme parks in New York, famous for their exciting rides, exhilarating attractions, and unforgettable experiences. So, let's buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind of fun in the amusement parks of NYC. Our first stop on this adrenaline-packed journey takes us to the iconic Coney Island, home to the renowned Luna Park. As one of the oldest amusement parks in the United States, Luna Park boasts a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. The park's vibrant atmosphere, classic rides, and breathtaking boardwalk views make it a must-visit destination for families and thrill-seekers alike. From the thrilling Cyclone roller coaster to the family-friendly B&B carousel, Luna Park offers a diverse range of experiences, making it a cherished gem in the heart of Brooklyn. Next up, we're headed to Darien Lake Theme Park Resort, located just a short drive from Buffalo, New York. This massive amusement park promises an unforgettable adventure with its exhilarating rides, water attractions, and top-notch entertainment. Thrill seekers can brave the gravity-defying Tantrum Coaster or experience the adrenaline rush of the Mind Eraser. For those seeking a splash of fun, the water park section offers an array of slides, wave pools, and lazy rivers, perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. If you're looking to beat the heat, you won't want to miss Splish Splash Water Park on Long Island. This family-friendly water park promises hours of wet and wild fun with its extensive selection of water slides, pools, and interactive play areas. From the adrenaline-pumping Abyss Tube slide to the relaxing lazy river, there's something for everyone at Splish Splash. Get ready to create cherished memories with your loved ones as you embark on a watery adventure like no other. Heading north, we find ourselves at the thrilling Six Flags Great Escape in the picturesque Lake George region. This colossal theme park offers an impressive lineup of roller coasters, including the legendary Comet and the heart-stopping Sasquatch. Families can enjoy a variety of attractions like the Buccaneer Beachwater Play Area and the classic Grand Carousel. Plus, with the Great Escape Lodge and indoor water park nearby, the fun never stops, no matter the weather. Last but certainly not least, Adventureland, located in Farmingdale, Long Island, offers a nostalgic and fun-filled experience for visitors of all ages. This family-owned amusement park features a charming blend of classic and modern rides, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Take a spin on the Frisbee or enjoy the twists and turns of the Turbulence coaster. Adventureland's warm and welcoming atmosphere ensures you'll leave with a smile on your face and cherished memories in your heart. And there you have it, our top 5 water and theme parks in New York that are sure to make your USA Travel Diaries extra special. From the historic Coney Island's Luna Park to the thrills of Darien Lake, the splashes of Splish Splash, the adventures at Six Flags Great Escape, and the charming allure of Adventureland, New York's amusement parks have it all. Which one will you add to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, safe travels, and keep exploring.